Do you like flexing on your ex? Do you like making money and proving people wrong? Well, you're in the right place. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another banger of a video. And today I have something a little different for today. I have my weekly SPY watch list, what I'll be watching on SPY. And I'll also be adding another ticker to my watch list now, which will be Nvda, ticker symbol NVDA. So without further ado, let's go into it here on SPY. Let me just look at my daily to see if I see anything interesting. Okay. Well, as far as the daily is concerned, we rejected this 415 area. Still on a minor uptrend, I guess you could say. Little interest, it's still choppy, but technically it's still an uptrend. Let's see what the weekly looks like. The weekly is pretty, yeah, the weekly is in the uptrend right now. Still failing to get above this 415, but hey. And let's go to our hourly time frame. Righty tighty. So what I'll be looking for Monday on SPY is if we trail down, I'd look for a bounce off of prior day close in 412.4 to take up to the upside. At least until the top, the very beginning of my supply zone, because you can see here, we've been failing to even break through the supply zone. So I'll be extra cautious once we get up to my supply zone area. And if I start seeing us rejected with sellers being confirmed in the volume, then I will look for shorts up here at 413.74. And also, if we're bullish through the supply zone for the most part and start seeing some resistance, I'll be looking for puts up here at 415. But if we break immediately down to the upside in the morning, I'll be looking for a break and retest of 412 to take down to 410. And vice versa. If we break down here, say if I missed the move or whatnot, I'd be looking for calls down here at 410 to take up to 412. So that's basically what I'll be looking for on SPY. I kind of like where we are with price action this upcoming Monday. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at Nvda. So I did some analysis on this yesterday, and it was pretty intriguing, if I do say so myself. So on my daily time frame, I seen this area of supply that we were failing to break through. On my daily time frame, give me 1 second. I just want to show you guys fully zoomed out. I'm not sure why it's not letting me but anyway, that's weird. It's not letting me. Oh well. Let's go to our weekly time frame. Here we go. This is what I was trying to do. I don't. Oh, that's because I'm only on 1 year, 1 day. This is 3 years. Alrighty. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this right here. This is an area of supply that we're failing to break through. I did some analysis on this late last night, and I'm really liking price action on Nvidia. We're a little choppy right now. It looks like a little bull flag is forming on our weekly. But long story short, let's go to my 4 hour to show you what I seen on my 4 hour. So this is what I seen. I seen what you call a head and shoulders. This would be the first shoulder in this area. This is the head up here. And this would be the shoulder over here. So we have a clear head and shoulders forming, a bearish head and shoulders. If it was an inverse head and shoulders, then it would be bullish. But the regular head and shoulders is bearish. So basically what I'll be looking for, let's go ahead and delete those. I just wanted to point out to you guys where I seen, the head and shoulders forming at in general. Let's go down to my hourly. Yeah, so this is what I'd like to see on my hourly time frame. If anything, I'd be looking for this would be more ideal for me. If we were to push up to 270 and then we reject off of it, and then I'll take that bad boy all the way back down, at least to 267. That would be my first price target. The second price target would be 264, if that happened though. But I trim on my way down in profits. So, and I'll only be taking trades at these key levels. If we're not at the key level, if we're like in the middle or anything, I won't take the trade. Yeah, I'd really like to see us to have a little bit of a push up to where this to RSI will also be overbought, especially on our bigger time frames. I like when our RSIs are overbought on our bigger time frames, because when we do see some downside, is rarely any small downside. Whenever we see us overbought on our bigger time frames, we always see like a big move to the downside whenever we're overbought on our bigger time frames. But yeah, I'd also be looking to take calls maybe off of 264.85 to take back up to 267. Again, depending on price action. I'll just have to wait to see what we get. But ideally, I'd like for us to reject either 267 or 270. That's more ideal for me. Let's go back to this 4-hour. Yeah, that would look very ideal. A push up to this 270 and just tank back down. This would complete this little head and shoulders pattern, because from what it looks like, we might push up and we might tank all the way back down, at least touch this this demand zone. That's my ideal scenario, for us to push up, see some relative strength, because we've been in this range, for 2 days at least. So I'd like to see us to have a little push up and reject off of it, maybe to come back down to this demand zone. But other than that, that's basically what I'll be looking for on Monday. This will be a pretty good week. We have some pretty good price action forming. We have a head and shoulders on Nvda, so just be careful if you're into calls. Remember, do not take calls at resistance and do not take puts at support. That's the general rule of thumb. But other than that, I hope you guys got some value from this video, and I hope you guys do your own research with your own tickers. And once again, this isn't financial advice. This is just my ideas and what I'll be looking for on Monday. Make sure you always do your own research. But other than that, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.